Arc Lighting's Concept Series performance bulbs bring the power of LED lighting in a compact, easy-to-install form. Their secret? A patent-pending integrated thermal management system built right into the light. This allows Arc to build a high-performance bulb the same size as a stock bulb. There's no harness, external heatsink, or driver required. These bulbs create up to 3 times the lighting power than that of a factory halogen bulb. This system also has the heatsink, bulb, and plug all in one piece, so there's no exposed items that could fail over time. They feature Arc's TopAim bulb head, which rotates 360 degrees for optimal beam placement. They are compatible with daytime running lights and projector applications. The light output is whiter and brighter than factory HIDs with a super white 6500 Kelvin light color. Concept Series bulbs are offered in more applications, plus they're available in 11 common headlights and 6 fog light bulbs. The size of these bulbs make it an easy do-it-yourself installation. Arc's super bright light output and color has the high-end performance that makes a statement.